it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sturdy Tiger 12-inch flexible tripod. So if you watch my Christmas haul video, you'll see I showed this briefly, and I decided that I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it, just initial impressions, and yeah. It came to me open like this, so I don't know if it's actually new. I think it's new because it's got all its packaging and stuff, and its legs were straight earlier. Like, I have since been messing with it, but yeah. Here's the tripod. As you can see, it's pretty big. Like, yeah, it's not going to tip over anytime soon. I have some smaller tripods, and they tip over like crazy. Just to give you a quick size comparison, here is the normal size tripod that Kath and I have been using for a while. This is also bendy, but I mean, it has a limit. This one is this is a good size. Like it says, it's 12 inches. It's super bendy, which is nice. But I think this will be good when I just need to film something. So let me show you what other pieces it came with. It came with a Gopro mount, as you can see. It has a phone mount, which I think is really, really helpful. You can screw it on here and attach your phone. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And then also, it's Bluetooth, so I can connect my phone to this little remote, and if I want to take a picture, I just press the button. And that way I don't have to actually touch the camera. So it's attached on like that. Then you take the phone. She's got a couple of pop sockets on her, so they don't fit very well, but it fits in like that. Alright, so I'm currently filming with the tripod. This is my other tripod leg, that's why it's curved. But as you can see, here's the box, and it's pretty sturdy. I'm just kind of bumping it, and it's really nice and sturdy, which I really like. So let me just give you a quick tour. Yeah, so I really like this tripod actually. Initial first impressions I think are pretty positive. Well, there you go. I really like this tripod. It's so sturdy and thick. I don't know, it's just, these legs are they're not gonna break anytime soon, which is good because I've had so many tripods. I've had a tripod similar to this where the legs just broke. That was fun. I was filming a video while it happened. I don't think I ever posted that video, but anyway, if you want to check out this tripod for yourself, maybe pick one up, I will link it in the description down below with an Amazon affiliate link, so you can help out the channel a little bit. We'll get a few extra pennies from your purchase at no extra cost to you. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video. I'm still somewhat new at filming, so if you have any tips for me for the tripod or anything, comment them down below, and that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day. Bye!